there, I'm Melissa and I lead storytelling at Reve. Today I'm going to show you how to use references, effects, and annotations in your projects. So on the References tab, I have a handful of references that I've made already, and you can start from scratch and make your own. For example, I've created sunrise, which is a handful of images of sunrises that I want to use to reference in my work. When I click edit, I can rename it, I can add more images to reference, and I can also state how I'm used. So references can be used for so many different use cases, whether it's a person, style, product, logo, place, clothing, pose, sketch, color palette, texture, lighting, composition, material, and object. In this case, I'm using it for lighting. So let's go ahead and create with a reference. I'm going to start with showing mom on a horse at sunrise. So using these references are super simple. You just type in at and then the name of your reference. In this use case, I'm also referencing mom, which is a person that I've created in my reference toolkit. There we go. We've got 4 awesome images of mom riding a horse at sunrise. I really love the look and feel of this one, and this really captures her features as well. I can continue to use references in a range of different ways. I could say, show me in a forest at golden hour. And there we go, we got a few options. References are also super helpful for use cases like product photography or other branding and design use cases. For example, I can say, create a soda can shot in dream can style. Awesome, we've got some really cool product photography elements in some of these cans. I can also do one more, create a hot sauce brand in sauce style. Amazing, here we go, some really interesting hot sauce designs that Reve has come up with. Super cool. All right, well next I'll show you how to create with effects. Let's go back to my project with mom, and all you do is you add effect, and you can go ahead and layer an effect and choose the settings that you want for it. So you can choose, for example, the intensity, dot frequency, dot size, using a halftone effect. You could try using a dither effect. Very cool. And you can also layer and use multiple effects or save your effects styles to be used again and again. Awesome, so that will just apply the effect to this image. Another thing you can do is you can create your own effects. So all you need to do is upload a reference image, and I can say create a ripple effect like this. Reve will go ahead and work on it. So any reference image that you upload, Reve will go ahead and create a custom effect just for you. Amazing, there we go. Super interesting ripple effect. And you can play around with, the different sliders, frequency, amplitude, and more. All you have to do is ask. Amazing. Lastly, I will show you how to use annotations. So let's start with this lobby reception desk image. If I want to make changes, it's as simple as annotating. So I can say, make these roses, remove the books, make these paper lanterns. All right, and then apply them. So spotlighting makes it easy for you to select an area of an image. You can drag on certain regions, and then you can go ahead and make those changes. Amazing, there we go. Also, you can move objects around with the select tool. So I could select the vase, drag it over here, select the books, drag it over there, and then apply that to make those changes in the image. There we go. Lastly, my favorite part of annotations is using it to draw and create. Here's a great way you can use annotations to also showcase what you're working on. For example, let's say I want to draw a specific piece in an image. So here I'm thinking about conversation pit in brown velvet. Maybe I want a hanging plant. I want a painting on the wall. And last but not least, I would like a lamp. There we go. All I need to do is draw it out and then ask Reve to apply it to my image as well. There we go. Reve takes your sketches from concept to beautiful image. Another example for annotations is simply drawing what you want to see come to life. So for example, let's say I want to see a martini glass, so I'm going to draw it out here. I would like to see a champagne flute, so I'll draw it there. And I would like to see a pile of grapes. I just need to draw it out and then ask for it. There you go. Reve takes your annotation from sketch to image. All right, that's all I wanted to share with you. Have fun creating with Reve using references, effects, and annotations. Enjoy!